Hi everyone! Today I want to review some of the vowel sounds that we've learned. Alright, so what is this? It's an alligator. An alligator starts with an A, a short A sound. And what does a short A sound like again? Awesome, it sounds like ah, like an alligator. Ah, ah. Good. What about this? What is this? Good, it's an igloo. An igloo starts with an I, the short I sound. And what does that sound like again? Great job. It sounds like I, like an igloo. All right, last one. What is this? Good, that is an octopus, and that starts with a short O sound. And what does the short O sound like again? Good job! It sounds like ah, like an octopus. All right, so let's go ahead and blend some more words together, get some more practice in. So, we have an L, and that makes the L sound. Our O, it's the only vowel, and it's followed by a consonant. So it makes the ah sound. And our T makes the T sound. So we have L, ah, T. All right. L, ah, la, T. Ooh, let's see what word we're going to make. Lot, lot. Good job, guys. We just blended the word lot, like a parking lot. Good job. Let's see what's next. Okay. So we have an H, and that H makes the sound. And our A, it's in the middle of a word and followed by a consonant. So it makes the short A sound. And our T again makes the T sound. All right, let's see what word we've got here. A. Hat. All right, let's see what words we're blending. Hat. Hat. Awesome job, boys and girls. We just blended the word hat. All right, we've got one more up our sleeve. Let's see if we can do it. So, it starts with a K, and a K makes the K sound. Then we have an I, and remember, it's in the only vowel, and it's followed by a consonant. So it's going to make the short I sound. And the D makes the D sound. So we have K, I, D. All right. K, I, K, D. All right, let's see what word we just blended. Kid. Kid. Good job. We just blended the word kid. Y'all are so awesome. Keep practicing.